Me and probably you will never own a private jet like the amazing Gulfstream G6, what, they're like $60 million? But what might be attainable for us is something like this 2023 Lincoln Navigator Black Label, which is pretty much like a private jet on wheels. I mean, look at this thing. This is a range-topping Black Label, $113,000 when brand new, but luckily on the pre-owned market, you can find one of these just like this one for well under six figures. And this one's in still near new condition of a tad under 22,000 miles. It's gigantic, opulent, luxury packed. It's like having your own private jet, your own personal first class cabin. And your friends and family will definitely be very happy in this opulent, comfortable cabin. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Hi, this is Joe from Scarff, Ford and Isuzu, and today we're going to talk about this 2023 Lincoln Navigator Black Label. The Navigator has been impressive ever since it came out, largely based on the Ford Expedition platform. They upped the ante. Where the Expedition is just kind of like a family wagon, family hauler with a little bit of luxury, this thing is designed to go head to head with some of the best in the business like the Cadillac Escalade and the BMW X7, and it certainly gives them a run for their money. A new Navigator, the base ones start right around $80,000, but a Black Label like this one goes up to $111,000. This has a max trailer tow package, bumping up the original SRP to $113,000. Nice prominent front end styling. It has a nice stately appearance about it with that big Lincoln grille and emblem. There's only one engine available on the Navigator, and there's really only one engine you need. We have the 3.5 liter EcoBoost. This is a workhorse engine we can find in a lot of Ford F-Series products. In the Navigator, it makes 440 horsepower, matched to a 10-speed automatic transmission, and even though this is a gigantic full-size luxury SUV, it can rocket to 0 to 60 in a little over 5 seconds. That's sports car territory. Those big Home Depot or Costco or IKEA trips won't be a problem with all this cargo space. You can even fold down the second row seats. Then we have these buttons right here to power fold them up as well. They will power fold up and down. And you can hit these buttons right there to power fold down the second row seats. Third row seats are comfortable, plenty of legroom. Nice big pano roof to allow lots of natural light inside. The second row seats are heated and ventilated. You have rear climate control, rear audio controls. The adjustability is absolutely amazing on these front row seats. Retractable running boards making it a little easy to get in and out. And these front seats are just so comfortable. They are amazingly adjustable. So they call the seats are called Seats Perfect Position 30-Way Active Motion Seats. Amazing. This has a heavy-duty trailer tow package. When properly equipped, you can tow up to, I think it's 8,700 pounds. Yeah, look at that, original MSRP, $113,330. If you enjoy music, the Black Label features this top-of-line Revel audio system. I think it's 28 speakers. That's like almost double. I think the standard amount is 14. If you love music, you have you're gonna have a high fidelity, almost religious music experience in this thing. Get out your favorite album, your favorite song, you'll be in absolute heaven listening to it in this audio system. It is top notch. Completely digital gauge cluster, big screen for the infotainment system. We have these nice elegant buttons, push buttons to operate the transmission. Kind of goes back, I think it's like the 1930s, 40s, and 50s. We saw these features on Lincolns. Amazing parking camera for excellent situational awareness. The interior is absolutely beautiful. Wherever you look, there's beautiful stitched leather, wood trim, nice suede cloth headliner, real nice rear view mirror, beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel with wood and chrome accents on it. Even the turn signal stocks have a nice appearance. They have this black lacquer finish, this nice chrome bezel around it. Of course, we have heated and ventilated front seats, integrated trailer brake controller. We have this trailer backup assist, so this will actually back the vehicle up and will help you align it with the trailer. That is such a great feature. Head-up display, so it'll project the speed, other information onto the windshield. Kind of hard to see on camera, but the less you look down off the road to check information, the safer it is for you and everyone else. Thank you for joining me on this little walk-around video of this amazing 2023 Lincoln Navigator Black Label. This thing is absolutely beautiful, opulent, pretty much, like I said, a private jet on wheels. We're Scarff Ford. We've been in business 103 years, probably serving the greater Salem Tacoma area. We're located in Auburn, Washington. We sell new Fords, new Isuzus, and a very wide variety of pre-owned vehicles, even from our sister company, Lincoln, like this pre-owned Navigator. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.